sa di ay matukoy la Maring. Ayo! Uy! Ring! Ako si Albert mo!
Na, wala di diri
Hindi
maring
naman
oy.
nagilig man ka.
Ay, papawala agud sa kalaay. Unsa may na
Dangi sa na kay nakoy nasagap ba?
sana maring? Diha maring. Ay sa gawas ta.
Ayaw, mauna na si Georgie Maring. Uy, dako man bataan pa. Lukot sa inahan. Humurag amahan.
Grabe mo ka maring. Kay sabi unsa to imong chika sa kuha.
Kabalo ba kang Linda? Kanang atbang niya sa balay ni Nalusing ba?
Ay, kanang balay dila sa kanto kanang duha ka dagko ang sakyanan.
Anak ba? Ano daw sa balay? Yung kinamagulangan nga anak, si Jessica ko. Productive si mong anak mo rin, oy.
Dali maring hanahan kina siya mag-TikTok.
Yung ubo maging productive.
Pero bitaw maring, ipainom naman ako na akong anak kagahapon ng ambroxol. Tapos wa man ni minor. Itastingan ako karbusisin pagkagabi eh.
Pag sure diha maring, uy nga pareha na sila effective na pwede isabay.
Ha? Ngano man daw maring? Ngano kainom ka?
Kita ka itong friends sa TikTok, nagabusya baka lang sa social media ba? Uso man na aron na. Nagabusya abot sa kanang informations about drugs, its contraindications, side effects, dosage.
Adaw maring gusto ko matanaw anak.
Tara. Hi there, it's me, Abby, your co-work talk pharmacist. Have you ever wondered if pwede ba gamiton ang Ambroxol, which is a mucolytic na ginagamit pang ubo, o ang Carbocysteine na mucolytic sad? Well, I've got you guys. We have Swipe RX. Game changer din siya na app, guys. Why? Because it lets you have drug information in just a few taps. So, tara, let's explain it further.
You have to download the app through the Google Play Store, and then you have to set up an account. And upon setting up an account, pag-click mo sa app, you will be headed to its homepage where you can see the CPD icon, where free educational modules help pharmacy professionals earn credit points and sharpen their knowledge. In line with that, we also have pharmacy training, which reminds medical professionals and pharmacists about the do's and don'ts about the medical field, more so on the pharmacy profession. Next, we also have basic pharmacy guidelines. So this tab or feature of the app allows pharmacists to get reminded, for example, of the common pharmacy abbreviations na written sa prescription, or the common drug interactions, or the prefixes and suffixes sa tambal to help them deliver a more efficient drug therapy to the patient.
So that's it with Swipe RX. All it takes is a swipe to stay informed. No more guessing, just learn and make confident decisions every time. Try it out and let me know what you think. This is your Work Talk Pharmacist reminding you to keep swiping smart with Swipe RX.
Hala, ngay siya gamiton Marie. Dili lang kay convenient, cost effective, madali-dali lang pa dyan gamit. Og labaw sa tanan, informative.
Sakto siya ka diya, Maring. Mausad niya akong nagamit pag na ako gikalagbuban about sa tambal. Pero, di na to kalimtan na magpakonsult sa atong doktor. Kasi sila ang mas nakabalo sa atong mga debate.